डियर व्यूअर्स, इस वीडियो में हम लिटरेसी मोबिलाइजर मॉनिटर और डीटीज़ के हवाले से जो अहम तरीन सवालात हैं उनको लर्न करेंगे, जो कि टेस्ट में आने की बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीद है। शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। द एबिलिटी टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स और टू एडजस्ट इन द न्यू environment in the definition of its answer option C, intelligence. Question number 2, the founder of behaviorism is, its answer is option B, D, J.B. Watson. Next question, a concrete operation occurs at the age of, its answer is option C, 7 to 12 years. Next question, how many groups are usually made in experimental method? Its answer is option D, 2. Child development study is useful for, its answer is option A, teachers. Next question, independent variable is applied to, its answer is option A, experimental group. Next question, life of an individual starts from, its answer is option B, zygote. Next question, how many factors affect growth? Its answer is option A, 2. Next question, classical conditioning was presented by, its answer is option A, Ivan P. Pavlov. Next question, the variable whose effect is sought is called, its answer is option C, independent variable. Next question, the variable which is affected by independent variable is called, its answer is option B, dependent variable. Next question, variables other than independent variables which can affect dependent variables are called, its answer is option A, relevant variable. Next question, method in which a keen study of any event or behavior is made of, its answer is option A, observation method. Next question, study of behavior under controlled conditions is, its answer is option B, experimental method. Next question, growth of children is studied in, its answer is option D, C, development method. Next question, sensory disabilities are studied in, its answer is option D, psychophysical method. Next question, period starting from zygote to 250 to 300 days is, its answer is option A, prenatal period. Next question, period starting from birth to 2 weeks is, its answer is option B, neonate period. Next question, period starting from 13 years to 19 years, its answer is option C, adolescence. Next question, which is not the hereditary factor, its answer is option C, diet. Next question, which one is not the environmental factor, its answer is option C, height. Next question, cognitive development deals with, its answer is option B, mind. Next question, how many stages of cognitive development are described by Jean Piaget? Its answer is option B, 4. Next question, period starting from birth to 2 years is in cognitive development is, its answer is option A, sensory motor stage. And the next question, period starting from 2 to 7 years in cognitive development is, its answer is option B, pre-operational stage. Next question, period starting from 7 to 12 years in cognitive development, its answer is option C, concrete operational stage. Next question, period from 12 years and onwards in cognitive development? Its answer is option D, formal operational stage. Next question, child forgets the things out of sight in? Its answer is option A, sensory motor stage. Next question, child describes himself unsystematically in? Its answer is option B, pre-operational stage. Next question is, child thinks logically in? Its answer is option C, concrete operational stage. Next question, whose role in is more important in moral development? Its answer is option D, all of the above, parents, teachers, and peers. Next question, emotional development is affected by? Its answer is option D, all of the above, fear, quarreling parents, restrictions. Next question, permanent change in behavior as a result of experience is learning. Next question, according to behaviorism, which one is important for change in behavior? Its answer is option B, environment. Next question, stimulus is necessary for response in? Its answer is option A, classical conditioning. Next question, operant conditioning was presented by? Its answer is option B, Skinner. Next question, change in behavior is due to reinforcement in? Its answer is option B, operant condition. Next question is, which one is not positive reinforcement? Its answer is option C, punishment. Next question, concept of meaningful learning through perception was presented by? Its answer is option A, David Osbel. Next question, concept of meaningful learning through structure of content and discovery was presented by J.S. Brunner. Next question, the founder of humanistic approach is? Its answer is option B, D, Maslow. Next question, according to humanistic approach, nature of man is? All of the above, good, creative, capable of healthy growth. Next question, the founder of client centered therapy was? Its answer is option B, Carol Roger. Next question, according to Roger, in problem solving, the most important is? Its answer is option B, client. Next question, who did discriminate the personality characteristics traits? Its answer is option C, Gordon. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।